Hello, this is Gare Moore, again with the QCC3008 Bluetooth module. This time we're testing it with Arduino Uno. I just wanted to see if it would work from a microcontroller without transistors. It will. See, type P. Play pause command is sent. After a few seconds, the Bluetooth module becomes active. We can adjust the volume by pressing D or U. On the camera, let me pause it. It was just a loose connection. Go to next track. Previous. We're pressing R. Volume down. You see the volume slider moves too. Maybe I just never noticed it. We can also redial by pressing C. You see redial command sent. You can disconnect that. We can check out the microphone now. Hey Siri. Hello.
Hi there. How can I help?
Are you there?
Go ahead.
I'm just gonna cancel that. There are also disconnect and reset functions on this module that are not implemented in code yet. I will try to implement that in the next version. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.